Hi, this is Brad Buckner, taking you on a little walking tour. Yellowstone National Park, one of the hot geyser areas. Walking around in the top of an active volcano. They say it's 600,000 years overdue for a pop its top. So, now we're not going to ask for a big show. But you know what? It is kind of fun. And it's a little bit exciting to think that you're literally walking around on top of a volcano, an active volcano. Sure is a beautiful place. The top of the volcano itself is almost 50 miles in diameter. That's kind of a big volcano, considering Mount St. Helens did the damage it did. And it's only approximately 1 mile in diameter at the top.